My favorite way to use this product is on any twist or braids that I'm creating. Cute, huh? Hi everyone, Jamie McDaniel, hairstylist and Redken artist, here to share with you today Redken's newest look on their renovation of their hairstyling products. Let's start the unboxing with texture paste. This is a long-lasting paste for definition, best known for putting in dry hair. However, my favorite way to use it is on short, wet hair and blow drying through for a softer texture finish. My favorite go-to for a wet look or even a slicked back ponytail is our Max Sculpting Gel. This is fantastic for working on any hairstyles, especially when you want a high hold, wet, sleek finish. Next, we have Redken's Spray Wax. This fine wax mist is fantastic to calm any frizz that you may have, add definition or texture to your look, and my absolute favorite place to bring it is on set with me for any weddings to help use as a workable spray as I build those beautiful looks. Pliable Paste is a fantastic styling paste with flexible holds. My favorite way to use this product is on any twist or braids that I'm creating. So with the pliable paste, I've just warmed it up in between my hands, and now I'm just twisting this hair away from my face without elevating any of the hair off of my head. With the pliable paste in between my fingers, it's really allowing me to hold tight to those hairs as I grip them and twist them away from the face. Now I'm just going to apply a bobby pin and secure this look into place. Cute, huh? Looking for heat protection and hold against your hot tools? Thermal Spray 22 has 450 degrees of heat protection plus high hold. Simply just take a piece of hair, spritz down your hair strand with the thermal spray, work through with a comb, and take your hot tool and style hair as so. Let it cool, and you will have all day long-lasting curls with no heat damage. Have you ever experienced a hairspray that's just a little too sticky or a little too crunchy? Brushable hairspray is not it. This fantastic hairspray is lightweight to wear all day without worrying about the crunch or the sticky after feel. Simply spray on your hair and work through. Your hair will have the movability that you want it to have with holding your hairstyle all day. Thanks for hanging out with me as I unbox Redken's newest renovated stylers. All products are available right now over at Hair.com, and keep an eye out because by the end of the year, Redken will be launching more renovated stylers.